Hello guys, welcome again. Our lesson 2 at question 3. Thank you once again for tuning in to our channel. And as we said, at New Yankees, our main big deal is to stand with the learners when they need us the most. And these are critical times. So at question 3, the question reads, the current price of a car is 500,000 shillings. Given that its depreciation rate is 15% per annum, find the number of years it will take for its value to fall to 180,000 shillings. So that is depreciation under commercial arithmetics in Form 3. So solution without wastage of time. Guys, let's take time to understand the question and be able to appropriately solve it. So what comes into your brain when you read through under depreciation is the formula for getting the amount, and therefore A is always equal to P into 1 minus 100 power n. I'm saying A is equal to P into 1 minus R over 100 power n, where as we all know, A is the amount, the accumulated amount after some time. Then P is the money borrowed, as we always say, money borrowed. However, in this case, it will apply to the original value of the car, original value. Then finally, R, we all know the rate of depreciation. So coming back to our question, we are just going to substitute. Our final amount is at 180,000. 180,000 when the original amount was 500,000 into 1 minus 15 over 100 power n. So n here, I'm sorry I didn't explain n. N is the number of, let me just call it the time, duration, which represents the years that this car will take for its value to depreciate all the way from 500,000 to 180,000. So time of depreciation. So now the first step here will be to we simplify the right side by dividing by the 500,000 on both sides. So we shall get, cancelling this, we shall get 0.36 is equivalent to 1 minus 0.15 power n. So if I work out the bracket, I will get 0.85 power n is equivalent to 0.36. So up to this stage, for the lovers of math, we all know the next procedure is to introduce logarithms. Introduce logs on both sides. So introducing log, we shall have, therefore, log of 0.36 is equivalent to log n log, I'm obeying law 3, where the power becomes the coefficient, n log 0.85. So very simple, reducing my equation. So log divided by log of 0.85 on both sides. So this cancels that. So as I check from my calculator, n therefore remains alone to be log 0.36 divided by log 0.85, and therefore dividing that we get 6.286. 6.286 years. They represent years because our rate was per year, per annum, meaning per year. So can follow through again and get to understand the formula. We are dealing with depreciation, and therefore we shall have a minus within the bracket here. Substituting through, get to know the best procedure. Divide by 500,000, divide by 500,000. We are trying to make the equation more simpler, step by step. And introduce logs, then be able to get time, where n is 6.286 years. Guys, like I told you at New Yankees, our main big deal is to help the learner make a difference. And maths has been a headache to so many children, and it is our duty to make it look more easier to them. So, like I told you at New Yankees, we have several materials, and we have 2023 KCSE projections. We also have revision books for Form 1 and 2, well-formulated books, easy to understand, and purely learning has been made easier for the learners. So like Jesus used to say, the fruits of my kingdom, or for the kingdom of my Father, are too many. Only the reapers are less. So let's increase the number of the beneficiaries of education. So to reach me, once again, 0720 968517. When you call this, you can see how to help and improve the performance of our learners. Thank you. I mean, God bless you. Subscribe, please, like, and share. Amen.